In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where your PDF documents are not opening in Microsoft Edge. So to fix this, you first need to head over to your Start menu and just search for Edge, and then open up the web browser. From here, you need to select the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side, and then scroll down and select Settings. Then from the left hand side, click on Cookies and Site Permissions, and scroll down and select All Permissions. Then from here, scroll down until you see PDF Documents and select this, and make sure you have Always Download PDF Files turned off like so, and make sure where it says PDF View Settings is turned on and enabled. Once you've done this, you can close out of this window, then head over to your Start menu and search for Settings. From your Settings page, click on Apps on the left hand side, select Default Apps, and underneath Related Settings, click on Choose Defaults by File Type. Then in the search box, type in PDF, and then select .pdf, and from here you need to change the default application to Microsoft Edge, so I'm just going to select it from the list and click on Set Default. And once you've changed your .pdf document to open with Microsoft Edge, we can then close out of this window, and that should have solved any issues you were having. Another thing you can try doing is just right-clicking on your PDF document, selecting Open With, and then just choosing Microsoft Edge from the list. And that's another way you can open your PDF document with Microsoft Edge. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.